Hi there, welcome back to vSkul walkthrough videos. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your live session as an on-demand video. What I mean is this: you just completed your live session, you recorded a screen just as I'm doing now. You recorded a session using any software of your choice. And now you want to upload it such that students who probably missed the class can watch, or students who attended but want to go back in case they missed out something, they can go back again to watch the entire session, right? So I'm logged in here to my course. As you can see, this is a course. This is the ongoing live session. We're finished the one of August 8th. And we're waiting for August 15th. And assuming I want to upload one of the videos, maybe the first one, which I've already done, but I'm still going to use this live webinar to show us an example, right? Okay, so what I do is this. I'm not going to create a new course. Remember, I'm not creating a course. The course is already going on. So all I need to do now is to click on what we call lessons, right? Once you create your course, it will come with all of these buttons. Now, the first to do after creating the course is to create your schedule. When you're done with your schedule, you hold your class. After each class, you upload the videos and the text of each class or each course, whatever you call it. Okay? So now I click on lesson to upload the video, assuming I've not done it before, but I've done it. But just for purpose of demonstration, let me show us how to upload our video. Okay, so this is the video and literatures of the first module, which we did. Okay, as you can see here. But now, for purpose of this demonstration, I will show us how to create a session. Every lesson is enclosed in a session, right? A session is, you can describe a session as a module or whatever, okay? Now, to create a session, you click on, here I'm going to call it sample session, so I can delete it later. Sample section, rather. I was calling session, no. I'll call it this, so I can delete it later. Okay, so what I do next now is to add my video, right? And my lessons. The lessons here include the lessons you prepared, the literatures you prepared for your class. Maybe you might have prepared a, what do you call it, PowerPoint slide, or what slide, or whatever it is, the literatures, and then the video. Remember, you are going to upload your video and the literature of your course, of your class. So I click on Add Video. Okay, so here, all I'll just do is sample section or sample lesson here. Sample lesson here. 30 minutes, whatever. Should I allow students to download this course? If I want it, I click on it, else I'll leave it. Then here, I'm going to upload my sample video, and the video is called Video Sample 1. This is for purpose of demonstration. I'm going to remove it. I'll start uploading. Now, as you can see, it's uploading to our video CDN, and it's fast. Now, I will suggest this. Please note, if your video size is quite heavy, up to 100 or 200 or 300, I suggest you keep on with the on the page. For example, you keep the page active, right? Because if you don't keep your page active, if the video is lengthy and your network too is slow, the page, you could be signed out of the entire application. It could end your session because you are not active at that moment. The same will assume that you've been inactive, and to avoid someone logging into your account, it's important you keep the page active. So you can keep the page active by, even if it's just moving the slide, scrolling up and down, you are keeping the page active. Something is going on even though your video is uploading, or you are clicking somewhere, or just anything. Let's just be that you are doing something on the page. That way you're keeping the page active and while your video is uploading, right? Now, as you can see, my video uploaded successfully, right? So the next thing I'll do, or the last thing I'll do, is to click on create lesson. So remember, I added my sample, my lesson title. Now this lesson title could be maybe your course has modules or sections. Instead of putting just lesson here, instead of like mine has a full module, and in the module there are sections, and in each section there are lessons. Now I didn't want to make it so, I didn't want to break it into too many sections to avoid having too many videos. So what I did was use this as section 1, even though I know it's lesson 1. I use that as section 1, and then pasted here all the literatures of the entire lessons. In section 1, I had about 3 lessons, so I pasted all here, right, so that student can read through and understand what the module is. Then I uploaded my video. So it all depends on how you want to go about it, but make it simple and easy, right? So here now I click on create lesson. Okay, so I've done creating my sample section and my sample lesson, right? So to be sure that it's actually there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to preview. I'm going to preview what I've uploaded, the video, and let's see. Okay, you can see live class this, lesson this, duration this, enrollment required, yes. And this is the video I just uploaded, right? This is the video I just uploaded now. This there here means that our video is secure, so a student can easily see the link here to download it, right? Okay, and this is where the lesson description will show. Now, if I play the video now, you'll see.
Hi there. Welcome to this edition of Cloud for Everyday Nigeria. As we all know, Claude is one of the AIs in the market today, and quite a number of people use it for normal research and other kinds of.
Okay. Now, if I want to edit this lesson, I click on the edit lesson button here, but I don't think that's necessary for now. So this is basically how you upload your recorded live session, and the student will view it from the end. Now, in another video, now if for any reason you created your sections in an unorganized way, you can actually use this button here, or this, you can actually move this up and move this down, right? By moving this, you see, I've joined these two together. I've moved these together, but turn it back. Yeah, so it's back now. This is basically how to create sections and then add lessons to our section. You can add several lessons to each section. If I want to add a new section, a new lesson here, all I simply need to do is click on add video, and then I'll add a new lesson, right? So I hope this had made an impact, and the next video I will also show us how students can log into their own site and view the videos we have uploaded here. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next video.